A warm welcome to everyone. So the name RinggitPay suggests that it is designed for Malaysia. So when we thought of the name, what kind of name we can give, then many names been coined, and finally we are lucky to have a name RinggitPay. So and we have many payment gateways in Malaysia. So what is so special about RinggitPay? So we have thought about it. 15 years of in banking experience, what we have, and to arrive this ecosystem, other than offering online banking, Visa, Master, and all the e-wallets, we are providing four different pillars, which is a payment ecosystem pillars for any business. So, which is e-invoicing and a payment page, auto debit, and smart recovery system. So this is widely served by different industries, education, travel, and lending industry, insurance, and so on. So this is something different than whatever traditional payment gateway and payment methods are offering. So with this, I would like to focus and zoom into the travel industry. So RinggitPay for digital tours and travels. As we know, the Malaysia's domestic tourism in Malaysia and the international tourism in Malaysia is contributing about 7.7% of the country's GDP. So what we thought is how RinggitPay can help travel and tourism industry to improving their the customer base and the seamless customer experience and everything. So there are four aspects in a healthier tourism industry. So the main is the customer experience is the key, and then the payment management. The next one is the personalization of the experience, the journey, and also the cost saving. When things comes about online payment, right, the first thing comes into mind is how secure my data is. My credit card information, my personal information is how secure. This is something in my mind whenever I want to pay online transactions. So number two, how mobile accessibility this system is having, because today we are on the go live. So when I get an invoice, I want just to pay online everything. So this is number two. Number three, after I make a payment, whether this payment is received by my travel agent or not. This is another hustle, because for international tourism, normally what would happen is after I make a payment, I need to wait for the acknowledgement from the travel agents, then only everything will move on. So these are the customer service experience which we are addressing in RinggitPay. And the next one is for the travel agents, a payment management. Tracking the payments is something very key for agents, travel and tourism agents, because when someone make a payment and you need to know that the payment is arrived or not, and without you wanted to follow up with the banks and credit card companies and so on. So that is something. And integration is another area. Maybe you may be having an accounting system, you may be having an invoicing system. You want to integrate your system to the payment gateway. That is something we encounter when we implement the payment gateway for travel agencies. And next one is a personalization. It's basically mean that you want to create an invoice based on your tourism company name, not to write on the payment gateway's name. So every business wanted to brand their own name, and then we are providing such features of personalization. Last but not least is the cost saving. Cost saving in terms of three aspects: lower transaction fees and faster settlements, and the last but not least is manual efforts reduced, because your staff can now sit doing the strategic tasks rather than calling the people whether the payment has been done or not. So RinggitPay is providing a complete payment collection ecosystem for you,